How do you start a new project in Canva? Well, when you're logged in or when you click this Canva icon when you are signed in, you'll go to this dashboard, and this dashboard has lots of different project starters. Now you can create your own new design up here with the big purple button in the upper right. We click Create Design. We get more suggested designs. So maybe if you have a size here that's a size that you would like to use, like an Instagram post, which is 1080 by 1080 pixels, you could just click on that to start one. Now at the very bottom here, you can import a file, or you can even click Custom Size. So if you just want to custom size width and height by pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters, you can actually input that here and create a new design. It also still always gives you suggested sizes. Now out here really quick, you can actually search for the type of design that you want. Want to create a photo book? Go ahead and type in photo book, and you might find templates and both templates and projects that you've already done that you can start with, or you can press the return key on that and it will search through photo book templates and get you started on either a template, or you can click create a blank photo book right here. So if we go back to home really quick, we also have this list of items right here where these are things that you might want to try, starting a blank Instagram story template, or starting a blank photo book like we just said, or even a presentation. And each of those comes with its own different types of features and tools depending on what you select. Now you can click through these categories here if it's more doc oriented, or if you're trying to use a whiteboard for brainstorming. There's different presentation types, like if it's a 16 by 9 or a mobile first presentation. Lots of different social media, graphics, videos, print products, websites, etc. You name it. There are so many starters here in Canva. And as you scroll down, you can see there's even more categories, like all these different Instagram style categories, all these different Facebook sizes, and so on. And so any which way here, you can create a new design. This purple button up here, create design, custom size, maybe 1920 by 1080 pixels. Hit create a new design, and it will take you into the Canva designer.